Thank you for joining us today at 2cutebeads.com. We just got a shipment of Swarovski new product launch in, and Debbie and I have started to unbox it, and we thought how nice it would be to show it to you also while we're unboxing it, because we were very excited to see the new colors and the collection that they've done for beaders. So let's unbox a couple here. We have right now, we've already done the emerald, and we have the aqua, the black diamond, light Colorado topaz, and these are in the 16 millimeter, and Debbie's getting ready to open another one. And what's its number, Debbie? It is
65, and it's a 22 millimeter. So for a larger earring or a pendant, either. It's the aqua, so it will go with the 18 millimeter.
Oh, those are just, I'm just loving this cap on here. That's going to be so nice.
And such a neat way, as opposed to having metal on it. It's actually the light chrome finish.
And I think that is absolutely gorgeous.
And then we also have some of the shimmer out. This is the amethyst shimmer and the crystal shimmer. But let me show you some of the pear shapes.
I'm just grabbing the ear wire because I real quick want to see if it's going to work. I think it's going to work really nicely.
So this is a crystal shimmer and a 22 millimeter.
Let's see if that fits on here. Let's try that. Because you know what you actually could do? These could be interchangeable. Yeah, so with the interchangeable ear wire, you could get a couple of sets of these. And you could change your color every day. Let's try it. That's the pear in the shimmer collection. Let's see one of these.
And here's the amethyst shimmer as well.
Oh, that would work nice on these too. But I wanted to see how these would look with the silver on top. And the only problem I always have when I'm putting these on is loading them on the right way. And that was not the right way. So I'll flip it. Yeah, I could be sporting a new pair of earrings every day. Oh, that makes an absolutely gorgeous earring.
Stunning, just stunning. Not too flashy, every day.
So actually, I just need this ear wire and then to flip them out with the new one. What else we have in there? Let's see. Oh, I'm loving this one. Look at the aquamarine with that.
Beautiful.
That is absolutely gorgeous. And we got to the rest is restock of our what were those we were waiting on? We were waiting on our tubes to come in, our crystal tubes. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these over to Johnny and have him load them up on the website, and I hope you enjoyed the preview. We're going to be playing with them the rest of the day while Johnny's doing photographs. So thank you for joining us at 2 Cute Beads.